Good afternoon, my name is Syeda Zahrah and I'm first year BiPC student here at Junaid Junior College. I have done my 10th from Medina High School. I've passed from CBSE Board. I started my college academic year in June 2024. My first day of college was very interesting for me. In the starting of the year, I thought that I was very motivated and determined with a lot of enthusiasm. But using blunt honesty, in the middle of second year, in the middle of semester 2, I started lacking the consistency in me which I had in first year. But kudos to my amazing teachers and my friends who always motivated me and kept reminding my goal to me every now and then. At the end of year now, my teachers made me believe that this too will pass, and it eventually did. Now I'm standing here in front of you, but with the year almost ended, and I just have my finals to pass, and then a new journey awaits me in second year. When it comes to my private life of college, the thing that comes to my mind is my friends. I have found some amazing friends in my first year of college life. They have made my life very memorable. And I recommend all my juniors to join this college because they have some amazing teachers and the faculty is very amazing. They teach you very well. Even your smallest doubts are clarified in the easiest way here. Thank you.